Wow, what's this, guys? Wow, this is Bamban.
Skibidi Nabnab, yes yes. Skibidi Bamban Nabnab, Skibidi Nabnab, yes yes. Skibidi Bamban Nabnab. No.
Wow, what's this, guys? Wow, Chamataki and Tamataki. Wow, what's this, guys? Wow, this is Queen Bounciolia.
Oh!
Wow, what's this, guys? Wow, this is Coach Pickles.
What? That is enough! He won't do that!
Say your last word! Ouch! My head!
You're my best friend! Oh! Long live to this friendship!
Wow, what's this, guys? Wow, this is Nabnab. Wow, what's this, guys? Wow, this is Tall Victor.
Are you okay?
Oh no, it's happening! It's happening again!
No. Just hold on, Victor. Just hold on.
Wow, what's this, guys? Wow, this is Tarta Bird.
Ah!
Wow, what's this, guys? Wow, this is Nibbler.
Lights out and night light on. Night light out, lights on, lights on. Ah! I do not like the dark.
Wow, what's this, guys? Wow, Blue Rainbow Friend.
Please don't hurt me! I'm not so sure about it! You are crazy, dude! Ouch! Are you taking a nap? What? Friends? Okay, it is what it is, huh? Hey! Stop! Oops!
Wow, what's this, guys? Wow, this is Noodle Ninja.
Konnichiwa, I'm Noodles Ninja. Whoa, this is incredible! You're a ninja made of noodles! And you're as handsome as me! Wanna be best buds?
Wow, what's this, guys? Wow, Chief Pigstar. Wow, what's this, guys? Wow, this is Banbalina. Wow, what's this, guys? Wow, this is Nasty Knack.
Make you
Wow, what's this, guys? Wow, smiley miley guys.
All my friends safe.
No, don't! Here you go!
What's this?
It's your mail!
Wow, what's this, guys? Wow, hunky Jake guys.
What are we waiting for?
God damn it, I'm out.
Wow, what's this, guys? Wow, this is Dr. Fluffy Pant. Wow, what's this, guys? Wow, Jumbo Joe's. Wow, what's this, guys? This is the germ, Stinky Joel.
And it's alright, following me at night. You got nothing else for yourself to realize.
Wow, what's this, guys? Wow, this is Red Rainbow Friend.
You are gonna be dead.
What the? You dare speak to me like that?
Don't you dare. Take this.
Uh-oh. Ah!
What were you saying?
No, please! Don't do this! Oh, sir, you should obey me! No!
Wow, what's this, guys? Wow, this is Green Rainbow Friend.
What's happening? Run, Purple! Save yourself! Green! The numbers! They're so beautiful!
Wow, what's this, guys? Wow, Sharif Toaster.
Help me, I'm to die!
You are overreacting.
Look, there's something I want to show you.
Huh? I know what you are feeling.
Wow, what's this, guys? Wow, Orange Rainbow Friend. Wow, what's this, guys? Wow, this is Captain Fiddles.
One day Bamban came really upset. I really didn't understand what's going on with him, but everyone was really scared about him. Really scared, actually. When I heard the screams, he suddenly locked the children in cages.
Wow, what's this, guys? Wow, this is Opilla Bird.
Well, I don't know. Huh? Oh,
Finally,
no!
come here.
Oh, God.
Oh no! Opilla! Please!
I'm not Opilla anymore.
I gotta escape!
Wow, what's this, guys? Wow, this is Hunter Tim.
I'm shutting you down. Hey! Shoot me.